guys, so here is the review for the spring final. I can't believe spring is here. Okay, so component form. So the formula for component form is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. Okay, so yes, you'll be given all the formulas. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Again, I would heavily recommend label. Sorry. Okay, so here we go. -4 minus the -1 and -2 minus 5. So that's what? -3 and -7. Okay. So x1, y1, x2, y2. 3 minus 6 and 5 minus 8. -3 and -3. Right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Okay. Direction. This is the inverse tangent. I'll do it this way. Inverse tangent y over x. Okay. Now, inverse tangent 28 over -21. Now, we need to figure out what quadrant we're in. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to write that sideways. So negative, positive. So we're in quadrant 2. That means we're going to add 180. Now, make sure your calculator is in degrees. So tangent 28 divided by -21 plus 180. And I get 126.9 degrees. Okay. Inverse tangent 36 over 41. They're all positive, so we're in quadrant 1. We have to do nothing extra, which is lovely. So 36 divided by 41. Okay, let's try this again. Inverse tangent 36 divided by 41. I get 41.3 degrees. Cool. Magnitude. X squared plus y squared, and you're going to just take the square root. Ooh. But before that, we need to do what we did up here. Okay, so x2 minus an x1, y2 minus a y1. So plus plus, so that gives me 4, and then -8 plus 5 is 3, I believe, -3. Okay, so here we go. 4 squared plus a -3 squared. I'm going to type all this in. And it equals 5. So we're going to repeat x1, y1, x2, y2. So 6 minus 2 and -7 minus 7. 4. And please tell me you don't think that's 0, but -14. Okay. 4 squared. And please make sure you put these in parentheses, especially when it comes to that negative. And I get 56. How lovely. Here, we're just going to add our x's and add our y's. So, we just do it like this, 10 and -12. So my answer is 18 and -10. We're just going to add straight down. -10 and 6, -11 and -8. -21 and -2. Lovely. Now here, do you see we have a negative in front of the u? So what I'm going to do is change my u, and I'm going to change my v's. And now we're just going to have to add them. So 9 and 2. Notice u is positive, so he gets to stay as is, but that g is negative, so again, we're going to change our signs. So we get 2 and -1. Okay, so here we're going to multiply this by 7 and this by 4. So we're going to get 21 and negative 28. I didn't mean to put that there. Oh well. And then 24 and negative 28. Now add straight down, so that's what, 45 and negative 56. Okay. I'm going to multiply it by negative 4, so I get 40 and negative 12. Multiply by 10. Negative 110 and negative 30. So I get negative 70 and negative 42. Okay. Now, here is going to be the law of sines, if I'm correct. Law of sines, so I'm going to put it here. A over sine A, B over sine B, and C over sine C. So I'm going to remember this big A, little c, little b. And I want BC, so I'm asked for little a. I know that angle, so it'll be A over the sine of 103. And the reason why we know this is because we know all of, we don't know all of C. Hold on one second. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, I realized I don't know all of C, but can I find all of B? Because that's the side I have. And the answer is yes. I'm going to just use this spot. All I have to do is the 180 minus 103 minus 16. Okay. 103 minus 16, and I get 61. So that would be 35 over sine of 61. Okay. Cross multiply, let's see. So we get A sine 61 equals 35 sine of 103. And then we're going to divide by sine of 61. And then now we type this into the calculator. So 35 sine of 103 divided by sine of 61. I got 38.99, so we're going to call that 39 even. Okay. AB. So here we want little c. I do know all of B. Okay, so here we go. Little c over sine of 30 equals 43 over sine of 111. Cross multiply like we did before equals 43 sine 30. Divide by sine of 111. And I'm going to type this into the calculator. 43 sine 30 divided by sine of 111. And I get 23.0. I hope this helps. I'll see you on the next page. Bye, guys.